Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Today I would like to talk about a place is not only famous for its natural beauty but also for its rich cultural heritage. I'm talking about Cianjur, a regency in West Java, Indonesia that's offers a blend of traditional culture, arts, and unique local customs. First of all, let me introduce Cianjur's famous traditional music. Degung. Its type of Sundanese gamelan music is unique and has been preserved for generations. When you hear the sound of Degung, you will feel a deep connection to the culture and tradition of Sundanese people. The instrument used, such as gong, flutes, and drums, create a harmonious melody and bring peace and calm to the listener. In addition to the gung, Cianjur is also known for its traditional dance forms. One of the most iconic is the Jaipongan dance. This energetic and vibrant dance, accompanied by dynamic music, is a form of entertainment that reflects the strength and vitality of Sundanese culture. The movement of the Jaipongan are graceful yet powerful, often performed during celebration or special occasion, showcasing the spirit and energy of the people. Apart from art, Cianjur culture is closely tied to its culinary tradition. One dish that stands out is the famous Tauco Cianjur. This dish uses fermented soybean and create a unique flavor that cannot be found anywhere else. It is often served with a variety of local vegetables and rice. For anyone visiting Cianjur, tasting tauco is a must to understand the region culinary history. Speaking of history, the traditional Sunda houses of Cianjur called Rumah Adat Cianjur reflect the deep architectural heritage of region. These houses are typically built using wood with high-pitched roofs, symbolizing the harmony between humans and nature. The traditional architecture is not only functional but also deeply spiritual, as it reflects the Sundanese belief in living in balance with the environment. In the town of Cianjur, there's a unique cultural procession called Kuda Kosong or empty horse. The Kuda Kosong performance is a ceremonial and ritualistic display that has deep roots in Sundanese tradition and folklore. This tradition usually accompanies other celebrations such as wedding, local festival, or welcoming important guests. The empty horse, decorated with vibrant fabrics and ornament, symbolizes protection and is believed to bring blessing to the community. What makes Kuda Kosong particularly interesting is the absence of the rider on the horse. This empty horse is said to represent an invisible guardian spirit or ancestor who protect the event. A handler guides the horse as it moves rhythmically, often accompanied by traditional Sundanese music, drum, and cheers from the spectator. Many believe the horse has spiritual energy that ward off bad luck or harms. Another cultural highlight in Cianjur is the local market, known as Pasar Tradisional Cianjur. Here, you can find a wide array for local craft, handmade goods, and traditional food items. The market is not just a place for commerce, but a vibrant center of community life, where people gather, share stories, and keep the tradition alive. Furthermore, Cianjur is also home to several important cultural festivals. One of the most famous is the Seren Tahun Festival. This is an annual harvest festival held by the local Sundanese community to express gratitude for a bountiful harvest. It is a spiritual event filled with rituals, music, dances, and offering, showing the close relationship between the people of Cianjur and the land they cultivate. It is a reminder of the importance of agriculture in Sundanese culture and the need to preserve this heritage for future generations. Well, Cianjur is a beautiful region and famous for its stunning natural beauty. From towering mountains and vast green tea plantation to enchanting waterfalls and tranquil lakes, Cianjur offers a variety of views that captivate both locals and tourists. Known as a place where nature and tradition blend in harmony, Cianjur is a gem for anyone who wants to enjoy Indonesia's unspoiled nature and authentic cultural heritage. One of the most iconic natural attraction in Cianjur is Mount Gede Pangrango. These majestic twin mountains are part of the Gunung Gede Pangrango National Park, which has been designated a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. This park is rich in biodiversity, home to unique flora and fauna unique to Indonesia. Climbers and natural lovers from all over the world come to Cianjur to explore the trail of Mount Gede, which passes through dense forest, grassland until finally reaching the peak with stunning view. The view of the sunrise from the top of this mountain is truly stunning, casting a soft golden glow over the green landscape below. Apart from mountain, Cianjur is also famous for its tea plantation, which create a unique green landscape throughout the region. The Sukabumi Cianjur Tea Plantation is a must-visit destination. Here, visitors can stroll among seemingly endless rows of tea bases, creating a sea of green as far as the eye can see. The cool mountain air and aroma of fresh tea leaves create a refreshing experience from busy city life. Cianjur also has a number of stunning waterfalls or curug that are enchanting. Cikondang Waterfall, which is often called Cianjur Niagara, is one of the most popular waterfalls in the region. Located near the village of Wangunjaya, Curug Cikondang cascades down rock cliff, creating an extraordinary display of natural beauty. Many people enjoy the trip to this waterfall, passing through rice fields and bamboo groves, which adds to the adventurous feel. Another popular waterfall is Curug Citambur, which is known for its high and stunning views. For those looking for tranquility, Cianjur offers the beauty of Lake Jangari, which is located on the edge of the Cirata Reservoir. Jangari Lake is a peaceful place where visitors can enjoy boating, fishing, or simply relaxing by the lake. The surrounding hills and forests make the lake a beautiful place for photography, especially at sunrise or sunset. Another unique natural attraction in Cianjur is the Cibodas Botanical Garden. Founded in the 19th century by Dutch botanists, the Cibodas Botanical Garden has a large collection of native and exotic plants. Visitors can walk along scenic paths, explore various types of plants, and enjoy the natural beauty of this place. One of the main attractions is this garden is the Sakura Garden, where the cherry trees bloom twice a year. Overall, the natural beauty of Cianjur is very stunning and diverse. Whether you're interested in the adventure of mountain climbing, the serenity of the plantation, or the serenity of lakes and waterfalls, Cianjur has something to offer. Cianjur is a place where traditions meet modernity, where the old and new coexist in harmony. Its cultural richness is evident in every corner of the city, from its music, dances, architecture, to its culinary delight. It's a place that every traveler should visit to experience the authentic warmth and beauty of Sundanese culture. As we learn more about Cianjur cultural heritage, we not only appreciate the diversity of Indonesia, but also understand the importance of preserving this tradition of generation to come. Our culture is our identity. Culture shapes who we are and where we come from. In this era of globalization, However, our cultural heritage faces many challenges. With the rapid influence of foreign culture and modernity and modern lifestyle, many young people are starting to lose touch with traditional practices. In conclusion, Cianjur culture is a treasure that we must protect. It is a testament to our identity, a bond with our ancestors, and a legacy for our children. Let us work together with dedication and pride to keep Cianjur tradition alive. Let us honor our past and build a future where Cianjur culture is valued and celebrated. Let us unite in this effort to preserve our cultural heritage for future generation. Thank you for time and attention.